Okay, so I'm disabling the chat box. And I'm locking the meeting as well. Okay. Now, just look into your screen. Yeah. We are going to solve today question number 1. Question number 1. Let us see the highlights of the question. Yeah. Calculate a fare. Fare is the revenue. Okay. Calculate a fare per passenger kilometer of CSR Transport Company. So CSR is the transport company. So my operating cost sheet will bear the name of this company. Calculate the fare per passenger kilometer. Okay. Now I've enabled the chat box there. Answer there. Which cost unit is this? In the chat box, students answer which cost unit is this, which is asked in the question. Fare per passenger per kilometer. What does it mean? Okay, very good. Sayatan said composite. Shreya also said composite. Anyone who believes that this is a single cost unit? No, na? Okay, fine. Good. Okay. Pranati also said it's composite. Yeah, very good. Fine. So this is the first thing in all sum. What you have to do first is, students, you have to check whether the cost unit is a simple cost unit or a composite cost unit. Okay. I'm happy that you people have now started identifying the cost unit in a right way. That is very important. Next, length of a route. So this is 30 kilometers one way. Okay, 30 kilometers one way they have said. Fine. Okay, so kilometers run is 30. Okay, purchase price is rupees 4 lakhs. Of what? Of the minibus. So minibus is my asset. Okay, CSR is the transport company. So for CSR, minibus becomes an asset. Okay, so the asset price is 4 lakhs. Next, part of the above cost met by loan. Now this 4 lakhs rupees, it is not his money. He has taken it on a loan. Next, annual interest, matlab yearly interest is rupees 10,000 per annum. Okay, so what has he done? Minibus usne loan pe li hai. He has taken the minibus on loan and he is paying 10,000 per annum as interest on it. So students, write it on the chat box. This 10,000 is which cost? Whether it is a fixed cost or a variable cost. Tell me that. This 10,000 is a fixed cost or a variable cost. 10,000 interest is a fixed cost or a variable cost. Answer in the chat box. Yeah, I don't want only 1-2 answers from the same students. Huh? Others also answer. Because it is very important to answer whether it is fixed or variable. You should know the identification of total cost. Yeah, very good students. Fixed cost. Okay, very good. Okay, so let us mark fixed cost with what you called green. Okay, so green indicates fixed cost here, right? Next, other annual charges. Okay, now don't forget students, all the charges are annual. Okay, all the charges are annual. Okay, fine. My one more question to you all is this cost sheet a monthly cost sheet or a yearly cost sheet? Put it in the chat box. Is this cost sheet a yearly cost sheet or a monthly cost sheet? I repeat, is this cost sheet a yearly cost sheet or a monthly cost sheet? Okay, very good. Yeah, very good students. Yeah, it's a yearly cost sheet. Okay. And how do you come to know? Because see, if it is a monthly cost sheet, to like what we did in question number 5 and question number 10, it was already mentioned, uh, expenses for the month. Okay, so that indicates it's a monthly cost sheet. And here, if you see, all the expenses are in is yearly. So that means it's a yearly cost sheet. Okay, and at the end of the question, I'll tell you one more alternative to this also. Okay, now coming to the next one, insurance. Okay, so insurance is which cost, students? Put it in the chat box. Now today answers you will have to give me. Yeah, insurance is which cost? As per CAS 5, cost accounting standard 5, it is which cost? Okay, okay, good. Hmm, nice. Yeah. Same again saying I don't want answers from the same students. Huh? Others should also answer. Yeah, very good. Okay, it's a fixed cost. Very good. So I'm highlighting all fixed cost in green. Okay. Next, what about garage? Garage rent? Garage rent? Okay. Garage rent is which cost as per CAS 5? Fixed. Fixed. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Very good, students. Next, what about road taxes? Road taxes? Very good. Fixed cost. So whatever is fixed cost, I'm putting it in green. Okay, students? Whatever is a fixed cost, I'm putting it in green. Okay? Yeah, very good. What about repairs and maintenance? Repairs and maintenance cost? Repairs and maintenance as per CAS 5. Okay, very good. It's a variable cost. Very good. So let us highlight variable cost with this color. Okay, blue. Very good. Okay. Admin charges. Admin charges is which cost? Admin charges. Admin charges. Very good. It's a fixed cost. Yeah. It comes in which category as per CAS 5? CAS 5 where the first item is what? Interest. Okay. Interest on bank loan. Then it is salary paid to the office staff. Okay. So in that office staff wala is this admin charges or other fixed cost में भी आप इसको ले सकते हो. Very good. Fine. So admin charges. Next, next, running expenses. What are running expenses, students? Put it in the chat box. CAS 5 mein, what do you mean by the word running expenses? Yeah, put it in the chat box. What do you mean by running expenses in CAS 5? What is the term for running expenses? Anyone? Okay, variable. Yeah, very good. Running expenses are known as variable expenses. There's a other name to it. Okay, very good. So drivers and conductors salary is going to come under which cost? It's going to come under running expenses. That means variable cost. Okay, then repairs and replacement of tires and tubes. Okay, again this is also variable cost. Repairs and replacement of tires and tubes, 3600 per annum. Diesel, again variable cost. Okay, and diesel हमको calculate करना पड़ेगा. It's not given. They have just given you per kilometer diesel is 5 rupees. Okay, yeah. Next, effective life of the vehicle is estimated at 5 years, at the end of which it will have a scrap value of rupees 10,000. Okay, fine. Now students, this is something new. This adjustment is new. Okay, now this adjustment indicates depreciation. I repeat, this adjustment indicates depreciation of the asset. Okay, I hope you'll have done depreciation, yeah, in 11th and 12th standard. When the percentage of depreciation is not given in the question, then which formula of depreciation do we use? Cost minus scrap value upon life of the asset. I hope all this you remember. This has been done in 12th standard, what do you call, accounts. Okay, so depreciation. Okay, acha. My question to you all is, in this sum, depreciation is which cost? In this question, depreciation is which cost, whether it is fixed or variable? Yeah, put in the chat box, put the answers in the chat box. In this question, depreciation is which cost? Okay, okay, so you guys are writing variable. Okay, no dear, answer is a fixed cost. In this question, depreciation is a fixed cost. Okay, yeah. Ashutosh gave it right, Shreya gave it right. Yeah, it's a fixed cost in this question. What did I tell you, students? When is a cost, when is a depreciation variable in CAS 5? When is it variable? It is variable only on one condition, if the life of the asset is in kilometers run. So where is the life of the asset given in kilometers run? It's not given in kilometers run. So it is a fixed cost. Okay. So in this question, please jot down here, this is depreciation. Okay. And in this question, depreciation, this is a fixed cost. Actually, we'll have to calculate depreciation. It's not given in the question, that we'll have to calculate. Okay. Right. So just write there depreciation. Yeah. And we'll do the calculation. Next, minibus has 20 seats. Okay, fine. This information is given so that we can calculate running kilometers. It has 20 seats and it plans to make 6 two-way trips. 6 two-way trips means 6 round trips. 6 two-way trip means 6 round trips. Okay, I have been telling you since last 2 lectures, two-way journey means it's a round trip. You're going and you're coming back. Okay, it's a return journey. Okay, so 6 two-way trips, right? And okay, now see, what did I tell you? The twist in the sum, I'll tell you at the end. Everybody in the beginning said what? This is a yearly cost sheet. But now see the twist in the question. 25 days per month. Okay, so now this cost sheet becomes a monthly cost sheet. I repeat, students, this cost sheet is now a monthly cost sheet. When you read the question in the beginning, you get that feel ki no, this is a yearly cost sheet. Okay, and I also said yes with you, obviously, because what did I tell you in the beginning? At the end we will see there is one more alternative to this. So this is that alternative. It is mentioned it is 25 days in a month. So now this cost sheet has to be a monthly cost sheet. Okay, so some of the other indications will be there in the question so that you can identify whether it's yearly or whether it is monthly. Okay, then profit percentage is given 20% on total revenue बोला है. कल जो हमने sum किया था that was on cost. Today the sum which we are going to do, it's on revenue. Okay, fine. So let us begin with our working note. Okay, start writing it along with me. Okay, right on. Working note number 1. Okay, calculation of passenger kilometer. Okay, write on the formula. It is running kilometers into number of passengers into percentage capacity. Right on. Right? Calculation of passenger kilometer. This is the formula. Right? Now we'll have to calculate. I'll have to calculate this. Okay. Okay. Let me take something else. Yep. So we'll have to calculate this running kilometers. Okay. Leave 2-3 lines, obviously, because we will have to first calculate running kilometers. Okay. So let us start. Working note number 2. Calculation of running kilometers. Okay. Write down the formula. What is the formula for calculating running kilometers? Number of vehicle into number of trips into number of ways into kilometers run into days in a month. Clear? Yeah. Now start substituting the values. Number of vehicle, there is only one minibus, so 1 into number of trips. I told you 6 round trips, so 6 into 2. Okay, so this is a round trip. 6 round trips, so it will be 6 into 2. You will go and you will come back. Okay. Next, kilometers run. So it was there in the beginning of the question. I guess it was 30. Yeah, 30 kilometers one way. Okay, so kilometers run is 30 into days in a month is given 25. Okay, right? Let us start with the calculation. Yeah, even you can do your calculation simultaneously. So let us come to the calculation. 1 into 6 into 2 into 30 into 25. So that comes to 9,000 kilometers. So write it here. 9,000 kilometers. Okay, 9,000 kilometers. So these are my running kilometers. Fine. Substitute this value here. Either substitute kar lo. 9,000 kilometers multiplied with number of passengers. So number of passengers is how much? Minibus has 20 seats bola hai. Okay, so 20. Okay, let me see anything else is given or what. Okay. Percentage capacity is not given in the question. Okay, students. So just remember, in absence of information, we will assume it is 100% occupied. Okay, please make a note of this. In absence of information, assume that the percentage capacity is the minibus is fully occupied. Okay, otherwise they will give you if it is not 100%, but in absence of information assume it to be fully occupied 100%. So 9,000 into 20 into 100%. Okay, 9,000 into 20 into, obviously you know, divide by 100 it has to be. So it is 1,80,000 kilometers. The answer is 1,80,000 passenger kilometer. Clear everyone? 1,80,000 passenger kilometer. Okay, fine. Coming to next. Okay. So till here everyone is clear about it. Please acknowledge it in the chat box. Yeah. Till here anybody has any doubt? Everything is clear? Okay. Acknowledge it in the chat box, dear. Okay, fine. Okay. Thank you, students. Fine. This is done. Now, simultaneously, yeah, till here it is how much? 5 marks. Out of 15 marks question of this, 5 marks is only for the calculation of working group. Correct? Now come to your operating cost sheet. Okay? So now let us make an operating cost sheet. Okay? Let us start. Okay? I have identified all the cost with you. Okay. Next, yeah, draw your cost sheet, beta. Everyone, along with me. Okay. Draw the cost sheet. What will you write here? CSR transport cost sheet for a month. I know. CSR transport cost sheet for a month. And I mentioned CAS 5. Don't forget this. Okay. Then write your particulars. Okay. Amount column. And the third column will be your cost per passenger column. Cost per passenger kilometer. Okay, so how much is my answer? Write down that answer. How much is my answer there? 1,80,000. Okay, clear? Yeah. Right. Now start with fixed cost. Okay. Then simultaneously start giving your attendance also. Yeah, give your attendance in the chat box. Yeah, and don't miss the sum also. Write the sum as well. I mean, copy down. Fixed cost All greens are fixed cost, right? So I have interest with me 10,000 per annum. Okay. So interest, right? So 10,000 divided by 12 months, because it's a yearly cost sheet, right? Information is yearly, but we are making it monthly, right? हम तो we are making it month wise, okay, and information is yearly, so you have to convert into monthly. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 12 months. So my answer is 833.33. Round off kar lo, round off the answer. 833. Next. Next. Annual insurance, garage rent, road tax, yeah, take it. 15,000, no? Yeah, yeah. Start. Insurance, it is all annual. So you'll have to divide. 15,000 divided by 12. So 15,000 divided by 12. 1250. Okay, so right here 1250. Right, next, garage rent 9,000. So third one, garage rent 9,000. So 9,000 divided by 12. So 9,000 divided by 12. 750 rupees. So right here 750. Next, road tax 3,000. Next, road tax 3,000. So 3,000 divided by 12. So 3,000, sorry, 3,000 divided by 12. So that comes to 250. So right here 250. Clear, everyone? Yeah. Next, anything else? Yeah. Admin charges 5,000. So fifth one, admin charges 5,000 divided by 12. 5,000 divided by 12. 416.6, round off. So it will become 417. Rounded off to the nearest rupee, 417. Anything else? Yeah. Now comes depreciation, students. Okay. So sixth one is depreciation. So let us do a working note for depreciation. Working note number 3. Okay. So I'm doing a working note here for depreciation. Right here. Working note number 3. Depreciation. Okay. I repeat your 12th standard depreciation. So when depreciation is not given in percentage, so depreciation is equal to cost of the vehicle or asset minus scrap value divided by life of the asset or the vehicle. Okay. Okay, you can use the word cost of asset also. Okay. Yeah. Note it down. Everyone note it down. Okay. So let us see what is this cost of the asset. उसने कितने में खरीदा था, उसने लोन कितने का लिया है, 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs is cost of the asset, purchase price, right? And what is the scrap value? Scrap value is 10,000 rupees and 5,000 is the estimated life of the asset. Okay, so we will substitute this value here. Okay, write it here. 4 lakhs minus 10,000 divided by life of the asset is 5 years. Okay, so 4 lakhs minus 10,000 divided by 5 years. So this is 78,000. Okay, and don't forget this is yearly. I will have to convert it into monthly. I'll have to calculate 1 month ka depreciation, right? Because it's a monthly cost sheet. So divide by 12. So my answer is 6,500. Sorry, yeah, 6,500. Okay, clear everyone? 6,500. Right? Substitute here. Right here. 6,500. Right? And do the total. Total fixed cost. Okay. Total the figures. 833 plus 1250 plus 750 plus 250 plus 417 plus 6,500. The answer is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Write it down. Here? Yeah. And students, last 2 minutes are there. So won't be able to complete this sum. So if it is the sum is left, rejoin with the same meeting ID. Okay, rejoin here with the same meeting ID. Okay, so I'll continue. I just need 10 minutes more. So next, after the meeting ends, rejoin with the same meeting ID password. Okay. Yeah. By the time, let us start. Variable cost. Okay. Variable cost में we have, let us check. Repairs and maintenance 15,000. Okay. So where are we? Variable cost, repairs and maintenance. This abbreviation is allowed, R and M capital. So 15,000 divided by 12 because it is annual and we want to convert it into monthly. So 15,000 divided by 12. 1250. So write it here. 1250. Okay. Next. So we are done with repairs and maintenance. Next we have driver's salary, 5,000 per month. Very good. So right here, second, driver's salary. Driver's salary, 5,000 per month. This we will not divide with 12 because it is monthly only. हमको तो monthly चाहिए ना figures. We don't want yearly now. तो yearly है तो उसको monthly में convert करो. तो जो monthly है उसको क्यों convert करना है? It is already in the correct form. Okay. Next. Okay, next we have repairs and replacement of tires and tubes, 3,600 per annum. Okay, so tires and tubes. Okay, 3600, right? So 3600 divided by 12 because it is yearly. So convert it into monthly. So 3600 divided by 12 months. So it comes to 300. Right? Clear till here? Next. Diesel. How much? Rupees 5 per kilometer. So this I'll have to calculate. So right here diesel. Diesel. Okay. So working note number 4. Right? Let us do the working note for diesel. Yeah. Do it here. Working note number 4, diesel. Okay. So kilometers with rupees. So 1 kilometer, 5 rupees. And how many running kilometers? How many running kilometers? 9,000 running kilometers. So for 9,000 kilometers, how much? Cross multiply. 9,000 into 5. So that gives me 45,000. Okay. 1 kilometer, 5 rupees of diesel. So for 9,000 kilometers, running kilometers, diesel will be 5,000 rupees. Okay. It's a variable cost, na? So variable cost will be dependent on running kilometers. So right here, 45,000. Okay. We have one more cost left to be done.